All right, let's continue building this Raptor. Now we're gonna glue more parts. So the model has this portion that is glued on top of this, and then this cylinder goes on top of this. Okay, so let's do that. This part is dried. Two ways to apply this. I prefer applying glue on the where the circle is. All right, so I'm going to apply glue there. And this will go on top. Now the orientation is that these flaps have to go to the other side, like that. Just eyeball it. It has to go like this. And we're gonna apply this on top. Same thing, I'm gonna apply a little bit of glue here. Now, the camera will not should be able to see, but there's a little drawing here that tells you what it's up. Remember, we're gonna find the seam line. Seam line on seam line. It's coming together. And the seam line of the nozzle is right there. So all this area, the seam line is on this area. So we're gonna apply now glue right there. Yeah, just a little bit. And this will just, that cone will just go inside there. Try straightening it up, all sides. You have it. All right, good. Let's let it dry. Let's let it dry, and now we're gonna cut these, what they're called, the gimbal struts. So very easy. I save time by cutting all the parts that will go in one direction. All right, now same way here, here, here. Okay. Very careful when using this a sharp blade. There. Okay. Now I can cut them free. If they don't come up loose, it's because you still have to cut some parts that you might have missed. So don't force removing it from the whole thing, otherwise they're going to be damaged and you are going to lose that part. Then you have to print all over again because there's no spare parts for this. So think about that. You have to be sure that you're cutting all the little corners. All right, so you can see here what you're missing. There. One. So yes, this part is a delicate, very delicate process that it takes in order to remove. That came out easily. But you have the idea. We're gonna cut the rest, and then let's cut these two. The same principle. Start with the straight lines, and where there are corners, be very careful. With a very tip, you can cut those corners. Then the rest is much easier to cut. Alright, coming along. It's a time-consuming process just thinking about that this is only for one Raptor. There are 3 Raptors for this engine section, and but it's about to be impatient when working on this. You know, if you want the model to come out nicely, well, it's up to you. If you want to take the time to cut, take time to thoroughly cut these pieces appropriately and don't rush. At the end, you will have a very nice looking model. All right, we're getting there, we're getting there. One more. then you cut them free. Let's see if I'm missing something there. It looks like yeah, push. Okay, all the parts have been cut except for these two, and then we'll start gluing them on the Raptor. Next video.